On the river.
At the end of the Jimbo.
That is awesome.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Very nice.
Watching you, I had the Ford Focus with the single 18. We did a couple of videos on it, and then I kind of sold the car.
Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
I literally just put this together and got done at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Wow. 4 in the morning before the show.
Yeah.
All right. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Rob Diaz. Look me up on Facebook. It's got 2 ZB515s, tariffs, MDAK, and a 90 amp hour Honda Insight cell battery with no charging system. Okay. I'm running strictly off of the battery. And that's pretty easy.
I like the way that battery's bolted together.
Yeah.
Wow.
I kind of, what I used to paint it with and seal it up, kind of exploded on me, so I never got the paint finished yet. So we're supposed to do it 4 in the morning.
It's all right. Oh. What was the box tuned to?
31, I think.
Okay. A little low.
Yeah, a little bit. I was trying to get some lows out of this for once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This will work. I don't know.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around of Rob's system. He was showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. His mirror actually broke off right at the end of the demo you're going to see. I was really impressed to see how loud in this big cabin space vehicle 2 15-inch subs got on a really good beefy electrical system with custom recones from Otis Designs. This is showcased in Florida, so if anybody in Florida, a great show, Summer Showcase, comes on every year around the August-July time frame. So hit that like button. If you notice the way he has his port area was optimal to play that high 20, low 30 hertz range. I think he said it was tuned right at 31 hertz. And having the window line is a perfect optimal box placement. And I'm probably sure he's done some testing with throwing it in there. I know he said the night before he got it put in, but it got a really good amount of bass. And being that this is a 8,000 watt amplifier, I didn't find out if it's at 1 ohm or half, but we could just assume it's at 1 ohm. And I'm pretty sure he has an upgraded alternator as well with 90 amp hours of lithium. So if you notice the way he has his layout, I'm sure he's not able to move his seats up, so he did lose his back seats for this system. So it is probably a daily driver still, but he got his window mirror fell off. A quick little screenshot there. You're going to see the demo in about 2 minutes where you see that break off. And notice he has his subs up, port back. Anybody with an SUV, that's the most optimal route to go. So hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile. And check out my other social media links in the description. Enjoy.
I gotta get drunk before the day begins, before my mother starts bitching about my friends. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. Went to the park to get to school. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some booze. Boys in the hood are always hard. You come talking that trash, we'll pull your car. Knowing nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy, 'cause I ain't said shit.
The river.
At the end of the demo.
That is awesome.
Right at the end, you just dropped it. I'm sorry.
That is awesome. That did me. That's a solid. Thank God that's gone.
Right at the very, and it didn't crack, so that's actually
That's
good.
even better.
That's even, yeah. Because some people actually crack. Right
Yeah,
there.
that happens to focus.
Really? Yeah, man.
Friends. Talking that trash, we'll pull your car. Knowing nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy, 'cause I ain't said shit. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shoes and boots. Talking that trash, we'll pull your car. Knowing nothing in life but to be legit. Don't quote me, boy, 'cause I ain't said shit.
At the end of the demo.
That is awesome.
Right at the end, you just dropped it. I'm sorry.
That is awesome. That did me. That's a solid. Thank God that's gone.
Right at the very, and it didn't crack, so that's actually
That's
good.
even better.
That's even, yeah. Because some people actually crack. Right
Yeah,
there.
that happens to focus.
Really? Yeah, man. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you again.
Appreciate you.
Awesome, man. Yes, sir. You stay cool, man. Thanks for the demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.